Kansas presents a mixed enforcement environment. The unlimited homestead exemption makes real estate enforcement impractical for primary residences, but wage garnishment and bank levy are fully available. Here is the complete guide. Judgment interest rate. Kansas judgments accrue interest at 4% per year, a modest rate. Judgment duration. Kansas judgments are valid for 5 years but can be renewed before expiration for additional 5-year periods. Recording the judgment lion. In Kansas, a judgment becomes a lien on real property in a county when it is filed in the district court of that county and entered on the judgment lion docket. Wage garnishment. Kansas follows the Federal Consumer Credit Protection Act formula. 25% of disposable earnings or the excess above 30 times the federal minimum wage. Kansas provides a 90-day support exemption that can reduce available garnishment amounts for support-necessary wages, but the full federal formula otherwise applies. Homestead exemption. Kansas's unlimited homestead exemption, constitutional protection for urban homesteads and rural homesteads up to 160 acres, makes primary residence enforcement essentially impractical. Non-homestead real estate is accessible. Bank levy. Kansas allows execution against bank accounts and personal property through a writ of execution. Bank account levy is a primary enforcement tool given the homestead protection on real estate. Debtor examination. Kansas allows post-judgment examination of the debtor to identify assets available for execution. Non-homestead targets. For Kansas creditors, enforcement strategy focuses on bank accounts, employment income, vehicles above exemptions, investment accounts, and non-homestead real estate, rental properties, commercial property, and vacation homes. People Locator skip tracing identifies Kansas debtor non-homestead assets and banking relationships. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.